The Song of the Star Weaver. In the celestial realm of Astralis, where constellations twinkled like diamonds in the cosmic tapestry, a young stargazer named Arya dreamt of a melody that could weave the very fabric of the stars. Astralis, a realm beyond mortal comprehension, housed the ethereal star weavers, beings who could craft celestial harmonies that resonated through the cosmos. Arya, with eyes that mirrored the night sky, possessed a rare gift, a connection to the celestial energies that flowed through Astralis. Her dreams were filled with the enchanting strains of a song that beckoned her to the heart of the Star Weaver's nexus, the celestial nexus where the melodies of the cosmos converged. Driven by the haunting beauty of the celestial melody, Arya embarked on a journey through Astralis, guided by the glow of distant constellations. She traversed luminous nebulae, danced through interstellar gardens, and marveled at celestial phenomena that defied mortal understanding. Along her journey, she encountered Lumus, a wise star weaver who sensed the unique resonance within Arya's soul. Lumus, Arya spoke, her voice harmonizing with the celestial energies around her. I seek the source of the celestial melody that fills my dreams. It calls to me, and I wish to weave its echoes into the cosmic tapestry. Lumus, his form a manifestation of stellar brilliance, regarded Arya with a knowing smile. The celestial melody you seek is the song of the Star Weaver, an ancient harmony that binds the realms and guides the dance of the cosmos. To weave this song, you must embark on a celestial quest and attune your spirit to the celestial energies that flow through Astralis. Arya, undeterred by the magnitude of the task, accepted Lumus' guidance. The quest began in the labyrinth of nebulae, an ever-shifting maze where the boundaries between dreams and reality blurred. Arya's journey through the labyrinth mirrored the intricate dance of constellations, and with each step, she attuned her spirit to the celestial energies that wove through the nebulous corridors. As she emerged from the labyrinth, Arya found herself at the Astral Observatory, a sanctuary where star weavers communed with the astral energies to craft celestial harmonies. Here, Arya encountered Lyra, a seasoned star weaver whose melodies resonated with the wisdom of eons. Child of the cosmos, Lyra greeted, her voice a cascade of ethereal notes. To weave the song of the Star Weaver, you must commune with the astral energies and unlock the harmonies within your soul. Each constellation holds a key, a celestial chord that must be embraced to unlock the full melody. Guided by Lyra's teachings, Arya embarked on a celestial pilgrimage to commune with the constellations. Each constellation unveiled a fragment of the celestial melody, and Arya, with each encounter, felt her connection to the cosmic harmonies deepen. The Symphony of Cygnus, the Serenade of Orion, and the Celestial Waltz with Ursa Major all became threads in the tapestry of the Song of the Star Weaver. As she communed with the constellations, Arya's ethereal journey led her to the Starforged Sanctum, a realm where the primal energies of creation melded with the celestial currents. Here, she encountered Solara, a radiant starforger whose essence pulsed with the forging energies of stars. Child of the cosmos, Solara spoke, her presence a radiant blaze. To complete the song of the Star Weaver, you must now forge the celestial harp, an instrument that resonates with the energies of creation. The harp shall be your vessel to channel the celestial melody into the cosmic tapestry. Arya, with the guidance of Solara, embarked on a quest to gather the quintessence of celestial materials, stardust from the hearts of dying stars, moonstone from the lunar realms, and essence drawn from the cosmic winds that swept through Astralis. With each celestial material, the celestial harp took shape, its form an embodiment of the celestial harmonies Arya had woven through her journey. As Arya strummed the strings of the completed celestial harp, a luminous glow enveloped her. The Song of the Star Weaver, an ethereal melody that transcended mortal comprehension, resonated through Astralis. The constellations twinkled in response, and the very fabric of the cosmos vibrated with the celestial harmony. Lumus, Lyra, and Solara, drawn by the celestial symphony, converged at the Star Weaver's nexus, a nexus where the melodies of the cosmos intersected. Arya, with the celestial harp in hand, stood before them, her essence intertwined with the song of the Star Weaver. The melody you have woven, Arya, echoes through the celestial realms, Lumus intoned, his voice a resonant hum. You have become a Star Weaver, a guardian of the cosmic tapestry. The song of the Star Weaver shall guide the dance of the constellations and illuminate the paths of wandering souls. As Arya embraced her newfound role, the celestial energies infused her being. She ascended to become a beacon in the night sky, a constellation known as the Weaver's Lyric. Her melody, eternally woven into the cosmic tapestry, became a guiding light for stargazers, dreamers, and seekers of celestial harmony. And so, in the celestial realm of Astralis, where constellations twinkled like diamonds in the cosmic tapestry, the song of the Star Weaver resonated through the eons. Aria's ethereal journey had not only unveiled the mysteries of the celestial melody but had also become an everlasting part of the celestial symphony that echoed through the realms beyond mortal reach. The Chronicles of Eldoria, the Forgotten Prophecy. In the heart of Eldoria, a realm where magic and mystery intertwined, there existed an ancient prophecy, a forgotten tale that foretold of a time when the balance of magic would be threatened, and only a chosen few could restore harmony. In the tranquil village of Astralhaven, three unlikely companions, Elena, a skilled herbalist with a mysterious past, Eric, a young mage seeking to prove his worth, and Talia, a nimble elven archer with keen senses, found themselves thrust into a quest that would unveil the forgotten prophecy and reshape the destiny of Eldoria. The village of Astralhaven, nestled between emerald forests and meandering rivers, thrived in harmony with nature. The elders of Astralhaven spoke of an ancient prophecy etched into the Elderstone, a mystical relic that bore the wisdom of Eldoria's past. As rumors of dark forces gathering in the shadows reached the village, the time had come for the prophecy to be unraveled. Elena, known for her healing prowess and the mysterious markings on her skin that seemed to glow with latent magic, discovered an ancient tome within her family's archives. The tome spoke of a celestial conjunction, a convergence of astral energies that would herald the rise of a forgotten power. The prophecy hinted at three souls, marked by fate, guided by the elements, and destined to restore the cosmic balance. Eric, a young mage with a thirst for knowledge and a spark of elemental magic within him, sought the guidance of Eldoria's arcane council. The council, recognizing the significance of the prophecy, revealed that Eric's destiny was intertwined with the cosmic forces that governed magic itself. His journey would lead him to embrace the elemental essence within and unlock the dormant potential that lay hidden. Talia, an elven archer gifted with the ability to sense the ebb and flow of nature's energies, received a vision from the ancient spirits of Eldoria. The spirits, guardians of the natural order, spoke of a looming darkness that threatened to disrupt the delicate balance. Talia, with her keen connection to the elements, was chosen to safeguard the realms of Eldoria. As fate wove its threads around Elena, Eric, and Talia, they converged in Astralhaven, drawn by a shared calling, an ancient melody that resonated with the prophecy. The village elders, recognizing the trio as the chosen ones, entrusted them with the Elderstone, a mystical artifact that held the key to unlocking the forgotten prophecy. The trio embarked on a journey through the diverse landscapes of Eldoria, guided by the whispers of the Elderstone and the markings on Elena's skin that glowed brighter with each step. Their first destination was the Whispering Woods, an ancient forest where the trees murmured tales of forgotten magic. In the heart of the Whispering Woods, the trio encountered the Elder Tree, an ancient being whose roots extended deep into Eldoria's history. The Elder Tree revealed that the forgotten prophecy spoke of an impending cosmic imbalance, and only by attuning to the elemental essences scattered across Eldoria could the trio restore harmony. Elena, with her mysterious markings, communed with the Elder Tree and absorbed the essence of Earthroot, a potent relic that connected her to the Earth's energies. Eric, guided by the Elderstone, channeled the essence of Stormcaller, an ancient storm elemental that stirred within him. Talia, with her elven intuition, embraced the essence of Sylvan Wind, a gentle breeze that carried the whispers of the natural world. Their first attunement complete, the trio ventured to the Crystal Caverns, a labyrinth of crystalline formations that echoed with the vibrational frequencies of the earth. The caverns were guarded by the Crystal Guardians, ancient entities attuned to the elemental energies. Only by proving their worth could the trio unlock the next stage of their journey. Elena, with the essence of Earthroot coursing through her, navigated passages that responded to her connection with the earth. Eric, wielding the power of Stormcaller, faced trials that tested his ability to harness lightning and thunder. Talia, attuned to Sylvan Wind, discerned hidden pathways that resonated with the harmony of nature. As they emerged from the Crystal Caverns, the trio felt a surge of newfound power. The markings on Elena's skin glowed with an ethereal light, and the Elderstone resonated with the elemental essences within. The prophecy, once obscured by the mists of time, began to take shape. Their journey led them to the elemental altar, a sacred place where the convergence of fire, water, earth, and air created a harmonious symphony of elemental energies. Here, the trio faced the elemental guardians, beings born of the primordial forces that shaped Eldoria. Elena, Eric, and Talia, now attuned to the elemental essences, engaged in a celestial dance with the guardians. Elena's connection to the earth resonated with the guardian of Terra, Eric's mastery of storms clashed with the guardian of Fulman, and Talia's harmony with nature weaved through the guardian of Sylvanus. The elemental altar, bathed in the elemental energies, became a battleground where the cosmic balance hung in the balance. Upon overcoming the elemental guardians, the trio discovered a hidden portal leading to the astral nexus, a celestial realm where the forgotten prophecy awaited its final revelation. The astral nexus, a place where the astral energies converged, echoed with the celestial melody that had guided them from the beginning. In the heart of the astral nexus, the trio encountered the celestial custodians, ethereal beings who guarded the cosmic balance. The custodians revealed the true nature of the prophecy, the convergence of the marked souls, the attunement to elemental essences, and the unveiling of a celestial melody that could mend the fabric of Eldoria's magic. Elena, Eric, and Talia, now bearing the titles of Earthbearer, Stormweaver, and Sylvansong, stood before the astral convergence, a celestial event that occurred once in a millennium. The Elderstone resonated with the astral energies, and the markings on Elena's skin glowed with an otherworldly light. As the trio embraced their destinies, a celestial melody began to weave through the astral nexus, a song that echoed the harmony of the elements, the resilience of Eldoria's magic, and the indomitable spirit of its people. The melody, born of the marked souls, resonated with the cosmic forces and rippled through the realms. In a climactic moment, the astral energies coalesced, and the forgotten prophecy unfurled. The trio, now vessels of Eldoria's magic, channeled the celestial melody into the very core of the realm. The cosmic imbalance, thwarted by the harmonic convergence, dissipated, and the realms of magic and mystery found equilibrium once more. The celestial custodians, acknowledging the trio's sacrifice and valor, bestowed upon them the celestial embrace, a blessing that transcended mortal boundaries. The trio, now celestial guardians, returned to Astral Haven, where the village elders awaited news of their quest. Elena, Eric, and Talia, having shaped the destiny of Eldoria, shared the tale of the forgotten prophecy with the villagers. The Elderstone, now infused with the celestial melody, became a symbol of hope and resilience. The markings on Elena's skin, a testament to the marked souls, glowed with a gentle radiance. And so, in the heart of Eldoria, where magic and mystery intertwined, the forgotten prophecy became a chapter in the chronicles of Eldoria. The trio, now revered as celestial guardians, continued to safeguard the realms, their tale echoing through the ages as a reminder of the enduring magic that flowed through the very fabric of Eldoria's existence.